Okay, now decision time. I just took my tape measure out and I measured over there, and this is dive bombing that way. So when I put the pipe back in, it has to fill up with water a little bit before it can travel out. And I thought, okay, let's measure the trench from here because see this edge here? It's about the same from there to the bottom of the trench as it is from there to the bottom. I measured 46 and a quarter, 46 and a quarter, 46 and 3/4 here. So I know it dips down just a little bit there. Okay. So this is almost level, right? That's okay for the water to come out. If the water is at least level, that's okay. But see over here, it's kind of going uphill. It's like, how could I fix that? And I thought, well, I could, you know, when I put this back in, I could raise that up over there, couldn't I? I could raise that up to make this go down. But if I raise that side up about 1.5 inches, let's say, then in reality, this is going to be going from here, and I want the water to go this way. It has to go uphill 1.5 inches from this point up to there just to get to there, right? So are you thinking the same thing I'm thinking? Okay, what I could do, and I think I'm going to, is when I put this one back in, instead of keeping it at the same height as it was before, I have not dug out the bottom of that. Okay, I've not dug out the bottom of that, so I know that one goes right there. Okay, so now could I not raise this one up 2 inches even if I have to? Couldn't I? I could raise that up 2 inches, and then the water's going to slope down that way, right? And if I do that, see, from here up to there, I know that's going kind of uphill from that point. And even if it was level, the next box like this is down below, and you see how much room there's right there, and I've got that full. The idea is that that pipe dumps straight down into the other one. I could raise that one up, couldn't I? I could raise it up 2 inches, 2.5, 3 inches right there if I want, and have that come down, and now everything's going downhill, right? I've got this one, raise this one up at least 2 inches, I would say, at least, maybe even a little bit more. Okay, so that one down there, I can raise that one about 1.5 inches. That would still be lower. That would raise that up, and it would make this at least level. I had 12 and 3/4, and I just measured from the center of the compacted area up to the edge, 12 and 3/4, and then I had about 12 and 1/4, and then I had about 11 and a quarter, something like that at that end. Okay, so that means this is going downhill, right? So I raise that side up, at least that could be at least level right there, and it will help the water go out that way. This water's going downhill, this water's going downhill, this water's going downhill, flat to downhill. This is at least flat to downhill. I could raise that one, instead of 1.5 inches, I could make it 2 inches. I could make this one 2.5 inches, let's say, or 3 inches. Okay, do you see what I mean? Then I can fill up a little bit more dirt in there. That I don't care. I got plenty of dirt here. That's fine. I could put more in there and compact it in there. It's real easy to do. And I could do the same thing over there. And then at that point, see, I threw some extra dirt in there, and this is almost level there. Okay, if anything, I might have to raise that side up a little bit. See, so it's kind of a work in progress, and I'm happy to do that because I've got it all dug out. You see what I mean? It's very simple to kind of figure that out. You see how I figured that out? If I were to put a level on top of that stone right there coming out at an angle, I'll bet you it's within 1/4 inch from left to right of being level. That is within 1/4 inch of being level. So if I take my tape measure from the center up, I got 46 1/4. Center up, 46 1/4. And so I can work that. Okay. So I'm gonna do a little bit more finagling, and you see, I have to make sure where this goes, that I can still lift that thing out and not hit the downspout. If anything, I may have to slide that slightly over instead of where it was. That's fine, I could do that. You see what I mean? So when I pull it up, it doesn't hit the bottom of the downspout. And I saw this, see how they attach this? This is a strap that's screwed or nailed into the stucco, and then they flopped it over and screwed it in. That's the last one. There's no strap down here, look. See that? And they probably thought, we've got to drill into the stone, or I mean, they could have went right into right into the grout, and then put an anchor, and then put a screw in there, put a strap, pulled this over, screwed a strap, lifted this over, and then flopped that over. And it almost looks like they used that. Bet you that's what happened. I think that is the strap, and it broke. It snapped off of there. I might have to take a look at that, and I might be able to fix that nice and easy, see? I'll figure that out later, but I still want this over, because see, I'm gonna raise that up. I'm gonna raise it up. I can't raise it up any higher than where this water's gonna dump in there. And you know, I want it almost flush with there. The water's going slow. It'll be fine. Most of the time it's going to go a little faster, and it's going to go right in there. So I'll have to do some checking out on that to try to raise that up and get that up there. Put some more dirt in at the, see, to raise this one up in that corner, I'm going to have to raise the dirt from here to there, from there at least to there, and this was low already, from there to about there, and then it was the same from here to here. So once I lift that one up, I got more dirt there, and basically 2 more inches or so of dirt in that bottom. Do you see what I mean? And I can figure that out, and I can measure up. I'm glad I got my tape measure out here. I can measure up, measure up, measure up, as long as I have that at least level. And then I'll see where I'm at over there. And then if I can raise it up a little bit more, I will over here, raise that up, and it'll be fine. You see what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do next.